It might be small, but the Hot Wheels Tesla Cyberquad packs big attitude, wild style, and a taste of the electric future, all in one radical little ride. Inspired by Tesla's real-life Cyberquad concept, this miniature machine looks like it was built for a sci-fi movie, but it's real, and it's ready to tear up the tracks. With sharp, angular lines and a matte, armored look, the Hot Wheels Cyberquad ditches curves for edges, bringing a totally unique vibe to the world of off-roaders. In the real world, the Tesla Cyberquad was first revealed alongside the Cybertruck, a futuristic all-electric ATV built for fun, off-road power, and zero emissions. It features an all-electric drivetrain, sleek LED lights, and a tough, minimalistic frame. The Hot Wheels version captures that look perfectly. Even in 1/64 scale, it feels bold and aggressive, like it's ready to launch off a dune or blaze across the Martian surface. And just like any great Hot Wheels ride, the Cyberquad isn't just for looking cool. It rolls smooth, fits on standard Hot Wheels tracks, and holds its own in high-speed loops and stunt play. Whether it's racing muscle cars, zipping under jumps, or parked next to the Cybertruck in a collector's display, the Cyberquad stands out. Details matter too. The flat black paint jobs, silver accents, rugged tires, and futuristic bodywork all stay true to Tesla's design language. It's not flashy. It's stealthy, silent but fierce. And that fits perfectly with the electric revolution happening in both the automotive world and the toy world. Because here's the thing, the Hot Wheels Tesla Cyberquad isn't just a fun toy. It represents a new direction, clean energy, radical design, and limitless imagination. It shows kids that electric vehicles aren't just practical. They can be fast, wild, and fun. And for collectors, it's a one-of-a-kind piece that nods to a bold automotive future. From backyard stunt tracks to display shelves, the Hot Wheels Cyberquad is more than a miniature. It's a mini electric beast with futuristic style, Hot Wheels DNA, and a whole lot of attitude.